4 Gravure technologies that are elevating our industry. What does it really mean to innovate in Gravure? For a long time, the conversation has centered around print quality, and yes, Gravure delivers some of the highest quality results in packaging industry. But the market is shifting. Today, brand owners want more than just quality. They need sustainability, they want speed, and they are looking for technologies that reduce risk, improve flexibility, and shorten time to market. Gravure is adapting, and those following 4 technologies are a big part of it. How? First, Chrome Neo. For decades, traditional chrome has been the standard in Gravure cylinder production. I call it traditional chrome because it just simplifies things, okay? It delivers durability, abrasion resistance, and print stability. But there's a big problem. It's toxic, hazardous, and already under threat of being banned by the end of 2032. A quick side note, if you're wondering what chrome plating is about, at the end of the process, Gravure cylinders are chrome plated. So they can endure a full print run. Because the engraving itself is done in copper, and copper alone wouldn't be durable enough to survive the production run. So that's where the new chrome, the Chrome Neo, comes in. It offers same durability and wear resistance, but uses a more environmentally friendly and EU compliant process. Sustainability isn't just about compliance, it's about future-proofing our business. The packaging industry is under growing pressure from regulations and from brand owners to reduce toxic materials in our supply chain. And Chrome Neo helps engravers meet those expectations without sacrificing the quality they're going to deliver to the packaging printers. And for printers, it's basically the life insurance that Gravure will still be there beyond 2032. Number 2, Q-Trac. We all know the pain of discovering a problem at press. When a cylinder defect slips through, the consequences are almost always very costly. Missed deadlines, reproofs, wasted materials, and unhappy customers. Q-Trac was built to stop that from happening. It's an early-stage defect detection system that scans and analyzes cylinders before they ever reach the press. Think of it like a quality control with a microscope, detecting even the smallest inconsistencies while there is still time to fix them. And this doesn't just reduce waste, it improves confidence in every print run. Printers can avoid unexpected press stops, operators can focus on production instead of troubleshooting, and brand owners get the consistent results they expect on time. Number 3, Cellaxy laser engraving. If you have ever struggled to hit fine details in vignettes or artwork, you know how limiting traditional engraving can sometimes be. And Cellaxy changes that by taking a completely different approach. It uses direct laser engraving into copper to achieve levels of sharpness and ink control that simply aren't possible with the traditional engraving systems. And here's what makes a difference. Lower, flatter cell geometry that allows more controlled ink transfer to the substrate. No stylus wear, no tool wear, so you get consistent quality from cylinder to cylinder. And ultra-high precision, which is especially valuable for premium packaging, technical inks, metallic or white applications. And it's not just about detail. The precise cell structure often means you need less ink to hit the same color metrics, which translates into overall real ink cost savings. And of course, not every job requires this level of technology. For many everyday print jobs, traditional electromechanical engraving is still the smarter, more cost-effective choice. But when detail, consistency, or technical expectations matter, or ink cost savings really matter, Cellaxy gives you, as the Gravure packaging printers, a serious competitive advantage. And finally, 3D mockups. The packaging approval process has always been the bottleneck. Designers send files, printers run tests, samples are printed, shipped, reviewed, revised, and the cycle repeats sometimes over and over. It's time-consuming, expensive, and definitely not sustainable. Digital 3D mockups change that. They allow brand owners, US brand owners, to review and approve packaging digitally with high-quality renderings that simulate inks, materials, embossing, and finishes without needing physical mockup or print. That means faster decisions, fewer physical samples, earlier collaboration, shorter lead times, and just less waste. It's not just a design tool, it's a production, a development strategy. Each of these technologies, Chrome Neo, Q-Trac, Cellaxy, and digital 3D mockups play a different role, but they all have one thing in common: they make Gravure more competitive than Flexo, Digital, or Offset. Gravure is no longer just a quality champion, it's becoming more sustainable, more reliable, more precise, and even more agile. And this is how Gravure stays relevant, not by standing still, but evolving. And if you're in the packaging space, now is the time to look closely at what's possible with those technologies. The future of Gravure isn't just about better print, it's about better production, smarter decisions. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.